yeah. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas, yeah. Just me and my niggas. Counting up them figures. Counting up to get richer, yeah. Counting up to get richer, yeah. Counting up to get richer, yeah. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas, yeah. Just me and my niggas. Counting up them figures. Counting up to get richer. Counting up to get richer, yeah. Counting up to get richer. Nigga, do you know, nigga, that I'm counting up? I gotta keep my paper up. Hey, I said I run full speed, then I lay it up. Ain't got time for shorty, ain't got time to be laying up. Counting dough, I be staying up. Hot I just want the money, the money, the money. People die over money, the money. So don't be playing with the money, the money. Hey, I crash in this money like a crash dummy. I be so hungry for this money. I be in the studio like it's raining money. I told the cool kid, let's get this money. We don't see nothing funny when you playing with that money. I promise you will never take nothing from me. You get hit by the burner, yeah, that highlight, yeah, that's a red beam. Pick a low status, give you that special beam. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas, yeah. Just me and my niggas. Counting up them figures. Counting up to get richer, yeah. Counting up to get richer, yeah. Counting up to get richer, yeah. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas. Just me and my niggas, yeah. Just me and my niggas. Counting up them figures. Counting up to get richer. Counting up to get richer, yeah. Counting up to get richer.
Money, money, hoes, clothes everywhere I go. If you're not down with my team, then you out the door. I'm headed to the top, hell yeah, I gotta go. There's a lot of fishes in the sea, roll your boat. I would never stop because I'm on the road, celebrating like we won a Super Bowl. I wanna get rich, is my #1 goal. Do what you do, I'ma do what I know. Up, never down, nigga. All y'all some clown niggas. All y'all in the same spot. I'm out to town, nigga. Word around town, you making money off child support. We started off down south, now we taking off north. Just me and my nigga. Don't hate my nigga. I'm at the top, I'm a starter. You on the bench, my nigga. I don't need no trigger. Get beat like Jigger. Fonte, Rick, High Tie. They some real cool niggas.
Two members of Positive Soul.
Yeah. Got your boy Hot Tie here, man. This my boy Cool Kid.
252 on the map, you already know.
Yeah, man. Basically, I started Positive Souls, just a positive message, trying to spread a little positive things, man. I got just me, got my nigga Tanner, got Cool Kid, you know what I'm saying? Got some new artists on the way. Got a logo already made, mixtape out, The Love for Money, that's out right now on Bandcamp. You can get that. If you need it, contact me. You contact me at Tyreek Matt Williams 252@gmail.com. I got new shit on the way, man.
Cool Kid, you already know. 252 on the map. 1VA, you already know. Stay rock them out. We got to put 252 on the map, man. Positive Soul, Space Line, you already know. Catch the new singles coming out. Yeah, we about to take off.
So y'all shot a video today. Which video was this?
Yeah, man, we shot a video, you know what I'm saying? Just me and it's on the EP, you know, matter of fact. Me and Darius up there, you know what I'm saying? Shouts out to the credit man that's holding the camera right now for shooting the video.
He an ugly motherfucker, just to let you know.
Man, we just fuck around, man. Be real, these been my brother since day one, man. We been through everything together, man. Like, the man that's holding the camera right now, I've been down with this nigga forever, man. We flipping frauds and shit, man. Shout out to West Edge Cone, you know what I'm saying? Memories, 7th grade. Could play basketball in 8th grade, my grades, you know what I'm saying? So we're just trying to put a positive message out there now for all the young kids. Y'all keep y'all grades up, man. Y'all gotta do good in school, man. So I'm out here trying to find a way to eat and survive for my family, man. So I've been doing music since I was 14. I just started recording. I just got a job and started working. A lot of people was jealous of me. So I look past negativity, the negativity, so I fucked up. So I cut that part out, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? What you got to say? We got any more questions?
Yeah, what's up? Cameraman.
No, man. I think that's a wrap, man.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
Bow!